Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Seapearl on cPanel. At first, you have to log into your cPanel. Enter your username and password. You have to go to the File Manager and open Public HTML folder. Click on Upload from here and select the cPanel.zip. Wait for the file to finish uploading. When the upload has been completed, go back to the public HTML folder from here. Now right-click on the cPanel.zip file and click the Extract button. Close the extraction result dialog. Now, open a new tab on your browser and visit your domain. You will see the installer widget like this. Make sure your server meets the following permissions. Then click on Go to Next Step. To complete database setup, you must have the following database credentials. No worries, I will show you how you will get those credentials. Go back to your cPanel dashboard and click Database Wizards. After that, input your database name and click Next Step. Now input your database username and click on Password Generator. Choose a strong password, and then you can copy the password and save it to any safe place where you want. Check this Accept checkbox and click on Use Password, and then click on Create User button. Now, click on All Privilege checkbox and click on Next Step. The database has been created successfully. Now go back to the Installer Widgets tab. Now enter the database credentials you have just created. Then click Continue, and then click on Import SQL and be patient while importing SQL. Do not refresh or close the tab while importing. Now set the admin credentials for accessing the backend dashboard. Click Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the script. If you face any kind of problem, don't hesitate to reach our support.